Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are showing you how to make one of these type of minion things with just a Kinder egg, one of those yellow things that you find inside of it. You need a Sharpie or something like a black pen that you can draw with stuff, and maybe even a blue pen to do different colours. So as you can see, you have a nice minion, so I can't really turn the camera around or anything, so I'm just going to have to draw it on like this. So here's the eye here, as you can see, so I'll draw the lovely black bit here. So then you can either draw the strips around it, that's what I'm doing, or you can draw a little smile like this. This is what it could look like. Now I'm drawing mine in Sharpie so it won't rub off, but if you draw it in like whiteboard pen or something, it will rub off. So if you don't want it to rub off, you use a different type of pen, but if you do, don't. And do use a whiteboard pen. Anyway, so we've got this nice little minion face here. Nice and curved. Now you can add any hair or stuff if you want, but I'm not really going to do that. It's totally up to you what you want to put on it. If you want to put any little dots, I'll do that because I've got the stuff. Look, that makes it look a lot like it. You can like kind of make it so that the eye looks a bit more minion-ier with those little eye bits on like this. And you can add whatever little adjustments as you want, but for now this is my little minion, so I'll show you my sister's and mine. This is my sister's one. That was mine, but I do not know where my other one is gone. So just take a second. Keep the minion. Keep watching you. Okay, I really do not know where mine went, so I'll just keep this one for now. So these two are ones that we've done. Mine looks a lot like this one. This is my sister's and the only one because it only came with 3 of these eggs. As you can see, it comes with 3 a pack. Oh, there it is. So this is mine before. It's rubbing off a lot because it was made out of a whiteboard pen. I will use the Sharpie to lighten it nice and black. This will take a while. I'm not sure if I should say enlighten because it doesn't enlighten anything really. Oh, I made it a lot black. This is what mine looks like right now. I kind of made it so I had a bit of black bits too, so I'll just add the bottom. Done. This might be what one of your minions might look like. There is a lot of different options. They're all perfect for the options. This is my sister's again. This was mine, just so I'll find it. Then these 2 are mine that I've done. So I guess it's now time for the shout outs. So one of my shout outs goes to Arthur for kind of giving me the idea with the minions. He does a lot of videos about minions. Well, he's done these videos about Lego, which I think you guys should go and watch yourself if you're watching. So his YouTube channel is, well, I'm not really sure right now because he might be changing it at the moment. But so the minions are like a really good idea to do. You should really try them out yourself. Remember, all you need is one of these yellow things from the egg Kinder Surprise things and a Sharpie or something like that. And then there you go, you can have one of these like this. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Remember to keep tuned and always watch my videos. Goodbye.